Cool, we're at Cisco Live Amsterdam 2026. I'm Jordan Hobday. I'm a network solutions architect here at Natilik.
And I'm Sam Hastings. I'm a solutions engineer at Cisco.
Nice. We go way back, don't we?
Yes, yeah, known each other for 7 years now.
It's fun to come here and see a lot of familiar faces and friends. So good to catch up, and thanks for taking the time to chat to me today. But really, we just wanted to touch on, specifically from a networking standpoint and a future-proof workplaces perspective, some of the key announcements that kind of G2 alluded to as part of the keynote earlier in the week anyway. And he kind of honed that in sort of 3 specific areas. And I'd say, you know, if we started top to bottom, we talked around the actual modernizing of the campus and the branch. Obviously, Cisco's been on a journey for years and years now to bring that together. I feel like it's kind of there at this point. What's kind of your take there, and what are you seeing from your customers?
Yeah, it's a good point. A lot of people know us as a switch company, right? But Cisco is so much more than that, and our platform is a really big component of it. These days, you can manage Cisco technology, namely Catalyst, in Meraki Dashboard and Catalyst Center, depending on the type of organization you are. But beyond that, we also have our secure routers, we have our secure firewall range, and we also have our collaboration technology. It's about bringing all of that together to create a smart workspace.
Yeah, amazing. And then I think he pivoted as well more from how security is becoming more and more paramount across the board, especially in networking. Usually it was very disparate and quite siloed, but we're starting to see technologies like Hypershield and some of the innovations actually from a hardware perspective to enable us to do some of those cool advanced security things. So are you seeing a lot of interest in that area from clients as well, or?
Yeah, absolutely. Clients are so much more security aware than they've ever been. Nowadays, we don't have the silos in organizations that we used to. We don't have teams working on enterprise networking, we don't have teams working on security. They're very much working together. And taking advantage of technologies like DPUs built into our switches is a great way to do that, because it means you've got security right down at the edge.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing that now you can almost have firewalling at the edge in your access layer, whereas previously you'd have to have a separate dedicated appliance for that. So really cool innovations there. And then I guess finally, from an AI perspective, there's a lot of work from an AI assistant and an AI canvas perspective, as well as some of the cloud innovations that we've got there. I think for me, probably AI canvas is the most exciting part. That whole cross-domain troubleshooting piece is really interesting to be able to kind of pinpoint, regardless of the technology and the solution that underpins it. Are you excited about it?
Yeah, really am. And none of it would be possible without the deep networking model. So we trained our own AI models. We're not just using those that are out there on the market, and we built our own CCIE grade model that powers the AI assistant, that's the behind the scenes component of AI Canvas. And it means that together we can collaboratively troubleshoot with not just each other, but also with AI to create visual experiences that help us get to the problem solving component faster.
Really cool. Well, thanks for taking the time, Sam, and enjoy the rest of your Cisco Live.
No problem at all. Nice to see you.
In a bit.